All right, I am gonna put this in the chat.
How do I access the chat? I'm sorry, I don't
Un-
do this a lot.
Understood. It should be at the very bottom.
Okay,
And
hold on. Let me see here.
did you see it pop up?
No, I didn't, Kate. I just see. Okay, I just see Judge
It should,
Greenwald's daily
yep,
docket. Okay,
absolutely. So if you just click on that link, it'll take you to YouTube where you
okay.
can watch the hearing.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Melissa. The one that I'm waiting on for you has not yet appeared.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. This is Ms. Vashon. She's at the Public Defender's Office. I'm gonna put you and her in a breakout room to chat before you see Judge Greenwalt.
Alrighty, thank you. Would you like me to mute?
Hello, good morning, Ms. Vashon and Mr. Hall.
Morning, Your Honor. Mr. Hall, if you could turn there we go.
Calling the matter First People of the State of Michigan versus Malachi James Hall, 26482 SM. We also have two civil infractions. They're city cases, 26-63194A and BON. May I have your appearance for the record, please, Ms. Vashon?
Yes, Your Honor. Melissa Vachon on behalf of Mr. Hall. He's present via video.
Thank you. Mr. Hall, please confirm you can hear and see me and Ms. Vashon.
I can hear and see you, Your Honor. I can
Thank
hear
you.
and see Ms. Vashon.
Perfect. In the state case, you're charged with the crime of tobacco possession, and that is a misdemeanor, and it's punishable by up to 16 hours of community service, and you may be ordered to participate in a health and risk reduction assessment program. You could also be fined up to $50 for each violation. Do you understand the charge and the possible penalty?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
You have a right to an attorney on this charge. If you can't afford an attorney, one will represent you by our public defender's office. Ms. Vashon, is Mr. Hall making an application?
He is, Your Honor, and I would ask the civil infractions be set along with it as well.
Very good. And Mr. Hall has a right to a trial. Have you reviewed that right with him?
Yes, Your Honor, we'll be entering a not guilty plea and requesting a pretrial date.
And we'll set this for a pretrial on July 8th at 9. And that'll be for both the state misdemeanor and the city civil infractions. Mr. Hall, I have an address for you in East Lansing in Deer Path. Is that a good address?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Vashon on bond.
Yes, Your Honor, I would request a personal recognizance bond for Mr. Hall. He did appear today as ordered and will continue to appear. He lives in East Lansing. He has family here. He's also working, so I don't believe he's a flight risk at all. These are nonviolent offenses that he's presumed innocent of, and he will also follow all the court's bond conditions, so I'd ask for a PR bond.
Thank you. I agree, Ms. Vashon, a personal bond is appropriate. Mr. Hall's bond is $100 personal recognizance. He's subject to the following conditions. He must appear as directed. He may not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court, and he must not commit any crime while on bond. And Ms. Vashon, anything further from you?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, that's all for this case. Good luck, Mr. Hall.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Vashon, you do not have any arraignments with Judge Babcock today.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
and hello and good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
I'm going to call this case and then we need to have some discussions. This is the matter of the City of East Lansing versus, is it Simony?
Yes, that
Yes,
is
Your
her
Honor.
Okay,
name.
thank you. Simony Cole Griffin Miller, case number 64790D. This is the date and time set for an arraignment. So there is a person named Salenthia Latoya Miller present. And could you just identify yourself, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Salenthia Latoy Miller on behalf of Simony Cole Griffin Miller, P55928.
Okay, and Salenthia Miller, are you a sitting judge?
I am.
Okay,
And Simony was, I was Simony's guardian until she turned 21. She's like my daughter, so I'm only here for this limited purpose. I was trying to
Okay.
see if there could.
and that is, in my understanding, the law and the canons wholly improper. There are statutes at issue. I think you're a circuit court judge, and so the applicable statute is MCL 600.562 that says a circuit court judge shall not practice as an attorney in any court of the state. There's canon number 4H that prohibits the practice of law for judges. So I am not moving forward with you attempting to represent Simony Miller here today. We'll get to what Simony Miller, the charged defendant, can do, but I'm sorry to say, and I have a duty now to report this to the state bar.
So Judge Greenwalt, my understanding was different. My understanding was that if it was an immediate family member, that there could be a limited representation. Like I said, I only came today to try to talk with the prosecutor
Okay.
and see if there
Well,
could be
I
a
would find that to be
resolution.
wholly improper
So I
too.
truly
It could raise
apologize.
the appearance of impropriety, you using your office to speak with the prosecuting attorney. There's
I
also an
was not
ethics
trying to-
opinion. Well, I'm just giving you the law. There's an ethics opinion, J2. It's from November 3rd, 1989, which says that, allows a judge without compensation to provide legal advice and counseling to a member of a judge's family, but may not act as an advocate or negotiator or make appearances as counselor.
And Your Honor, with the respect in the world for you, and I understand your position, that was not my understanding. It was a mistake. My understanding was that I could speak with the prosecutor. I was not in any way, I never got to talk to the prosecutor or anyone. I tried to see if I could speak with the prosecutor just to resolve the matter short of us having to hire an attorney. We've just buried our mother, and it's been a very expensive period for my family. And I was just trying to simply get a resolution quickly to this matter, if at all possible. I never identified myself as a judge to the prosecutor. I did call your court building and I let them know that I was trying to expedite if there was a way for me to talk to the prosecutor just to try to see if there could be some resolution. That was all I was trying to do for today. And I specifically told your clerk that I was going to bring in an attorney to represent her if this had to go beyond today. So
Okay.
that was it. I apologize for the
And you've made that
misunderstanding. I
record, and
understand your
that's all,
position.
and I'll also state for the record here that we're on Zoom here today, you're coming in, and it does say attorney Salenthia Latoya Miller, it does not say judge. I mean, nonetheless, anyone who would look you up on your P number would find that you were a judge, and
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is also consistent what you stated on the record with the chats that have been going back and forth with you
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
to see the prosecutor. So
Yes, ma'am.
for the reasons stated, like I cannot go forward with allowing you to make an appearance here.
Yes, ma'am.
And so I'm gonna ask you to leave our Zoom. This is, you can watch on YouTube, absolutely, but you're not a party, you're not representing Simony Miller. And then Miss Simony Miller,
Your Honor,
Sure.
respectfully, may we ask for this to be reset so we can get an attorney to come in with Simony then?
I was just going to give her that option. We have all criminal defendants in Ingham County can be represented by the Public Defender's Office, and the Public Defender stands ready to represent you today for this first hearing arraignment. That does not mean you need to stay with the Public Defender's Office. You could hire an attorney after that, or I'm happy to adjourn the entire matter and you can retain counsel of your choice. Simony Miller, what would you like to do?
Good morning, Your Honor. I hope you're doing well today. Sorry, just clearing my throat.
That's okay. So my question to you is, do you want to go forward with this arraignment today? You'd be represented by the public defender. And then you would have time thereafter to hire an attorney of your choice if you wanted, or if you qualify for the public defender's office, you could be represented by them. Or I would absolutely, if you ask for an adjournment of this arraignment, I would grant that request and we'd set this for another date.
Okay, and so there's no penalty for an adjournment?
No.
Your Honor?
No.
Okay, Your Honor. I would please like to
Okay, we'll adjourn
reschedule
it.
an adjournment, please, Your Honor.
And we'll get a next date. Ms. Horn, if we could look for, I'm not inclined to give a lengthy adjournment. You know, this is a driving while intoxicated allegation and bond conditions could be appropriate. Well, you know, I would like to get the arraignment taken care of as soon as possible. So we'll look for a date next week. That means that you have to act expeditiously to retain counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. So our arraignment will be adjourned to June 22nd at 9 a.m., Ms. Horn?
Yes,
At
Your
9
Honor.
a.m. And that'll be on Zoom, just like today, unless you wish to come in person. Is Zoom good for you?
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor. Zoom
Okay,
is
very
good.
good. So we're going to adjourn this matter. The court will expect counsel representing you and counsel to file an appearance in this matter before that arraignment. Simony Miller, any other questions for you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank you.
can I just confirm, we have an address for you in Okemos? Is that a good address?
No, Your Honor. There is an updated address.
Okay, would you want to provide me that updated address, please?
Yes, Your Honor. It is 16789 Chandler Road,
Okay,
East Lansing, Michigan.
okay. And may I ask, Ms. Miller, are you a student at Michigan State University?
Yes, Your Honor, I am. I am a proud and happy senior.
Okay,
I just-
so the other thing you could explore is if you may be eligible for free legal services from the Student Legal Services, ASMSU. Have you contacted them? You're shaking your head.
Oh, that was a question, Your Honor. Sorry.
Yes.
Apologies. I have not contacted them yet, but thank
Okay.
you so much, Your
Ms.
Honor,
Horn,
for offering.
could we put ASMSU's contact in the chat? That, you know, especially if you're thinking about money and, you know, you may qualify for their legal services for free. It's a tuition benefit for current students.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. So we're going to update your address. That's where notice will be sent, but I'm giving you this notice today that our next date is June 22nd at 9 a.m. My judicial assistant will get that. There you go. Do you see the phone number for ASMSU? It's in the chat. You're not
I
seeing it?
do not see it yet in the chat, Your Honor.
Okay. Can I just give you the phone number? Okay.
Yes.
Let
Thank
me
you,
know
Your
when you're ready. Okay, it's
Yes, I'm ready,
517
Your Honor.
517 353 3716.
Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Then that's all for this record, and I'll see you next week.
Thank you, Your Honor.